Hello guys, today I will teach you how to do blur shake on CAPCUT. Preview.